chaque échange. C'est toujours très intéressant pour un artiste d'avoir à échanger, rencontrer, échanger des expériences, des points de vue. Ça peut être que positif.
I feel like a different person every day, and I have no doubt that this experience will change my work and change my life.
On ne peut pas ramener l'art chez soi. Mais l'art, je crois qu'aujourd'hui, il existe dans la rue, dans l'espace public, dans la rencontre.
Minus the barriers of language and culture, we have this energy that we've brought together, and that's a memorable experience that will last a lifetime.
My experience so far has been a celebration of cultures, both American and African.
I guess life is short and you learn every day. This is a new experience for me.
Il s'agit d'un échange ou un exercice de l'altérité pour voir dans quelle mesure, en dépit des différences culturelles, géographiques, historiques, les artistes peuvent s'héberger les uns les autres dans leur imaginaire.
We are here with 5 North Carolina artists who will work with the 5 Moroccan artists, and we will see how this will build a bridge between the two cultures and see how the experience informs the artwork of both the Moroccans and the Americans.
I actually am very surprised at myself, that I'm very enjoying myself working with so many different artists. I usually like to work alone, and for me to creating artwork in open space was totally surprised me how much invigorating and exciting for me to experience this.
C'est toujours pour moi intéressant de rencontrer les gens. C'est la rencontre qui fait qu'on sort aujourd'hui d'une forme de solitude, d'une forme de création en mode solitaire, pour voir son travail avec les autres et au travers les autres.
With the theme for this year being migration, I started thinking about it about a month ago, and so as I was flying over here, I looked at all the wonderful land masses down below and all the geometric shapes and patterns within that, and I thought that could lead to something really nice, where it would be somewhat representational but also abstract at the same time. And then noticing from above an aerial perspective of birds in flight, I thought the combination of those two, where just like humans that migrate, birds certainly migrate from continent to continent as well.
Je pense que les êtres humains ont toujours aimé voler et du coup, là je fais un aller-retour, je pars et je reviens. Une rencontre, c'est une découverte. Une rencontre, un échange, c'est de voir l'autre dans son espace, mais apprendre aussi à l'autre à me regarder dans le mien. Et ça ne peut être que très intéressant.
One of the things that's so wonderful about this kind of experience where you're eating your meals together and you're making work together and you're having a glass of wine at some point is that I do that and then somebody comes and looks at it and they bring the sum total of their existence and hopefully something completely unique happens. I think that what I try to do, what I'm searching for is a kind of transcendent experience there between sort of two individuals.
Qui dit oiseau dit voyage, voyager dans l'esprit de l'autre et rapporter des choses et partager des choses. Le premier réflexe que j'avais, c'est de mettre la coupole dans le sens horizontal, c'est-à-dire pour rejoindre le sens de l'oiseau. Pour moi, c'était horizontal.
It's definitely a very different experience working in the studio amongst other people. But at the same time, we all have, I think, a habit of work where we can focus in our own individuality, as well as kind of bringing each other into the studio and getting feedback and immediate feedback. And I think it makes for a faster pace and being able to kind of hash through ideas a lot faster and more efficiently.
Ce sujet, c'est un travail sur lequel je travaille moi-même personnellement depuis longtemps. C'est un thème qui est toujours d'actualité. Donc chaque artiste, qu'il pense à la problématique ou qu'il ne pense pas, il la vit tous les jours à travers les médias, à travers son quotidien.
The bird migration, باللرج, globalization, and visa.
Don't have a theme when I start a piece. It's just whatever I want to do that day. I'll start so to have to be cognitive of the actual theme and an idea, and just being here in Morocco, the colors, the light, and everything's so bright, and that's also been affecting in a good way my work.
I am the new for reasons I can never explain.
Je sens qu'il y a un échange réellement, que je voyage.
Each one of us is a neighbor. It doesn't matter about a border. It doesn't matter about anything else than what we all love. It's a very moving experience, and every artist here has felt that.
It's been an absolutely wonderful experience. It just goes to prove that good art is good art regardless of where you're from. I'd come back in a heartbeat.